together. Let's try floating a grape at the middle of some water in a glass. For this experiment, you will need grapes, sugar, and 3 glasses of water. So let's begin. So first we need to put the grape in the water. It sank because the grape is denser than the water. Now let's make the water denser by putting some sugar in it. Now we need to stir it so it gets dissolved. Now you can test it by putting the grape in the water and testing if the water is denser than the grape. Now you can see the grape is floating at the top of the glass. Now you see that this one has sank to the bottom and this one is floating. So what do you think? You should do it at the middle. Now you should pour the plain water to the sugared water and pour it slowly so both of the waters don't mix together. Now you can see that the grape is stuck in between because the plain water is pushing it down and the sugared water is pushing it up. I had a great time doing this experiment. I hope you will too, and thanks for watching.